In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset password in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so you can update your password confidently and keep your account secure. First, open ClickUp in your browser and sign into your workspace. This process assumes you're already logged in with a standard email and password. If you usually sign in with a third-party provider, like a company, single sign-on, or a social login, the password may be managed by that provider, and the change password option in ClickUp might not appear. If you do log in with an email and password, you're good to go. Once you're in ClickUp, look for your profile icon. On desktop, you'll typically find it in the lower left corner of the interface. It might be your photo or your initials inside a small circle. Click that profile icon to open your personal menu. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens your personal settings area, sometimes labeled Profile or My Settings, where you manage details like your name, notifications, and security. We'll focus on the security section for your password. On the settings page, locate the Change Password section. It's usually on the Profile or Security tab. You'll be prompted to enter your current password, then your new password, and finally confirm the new password by typing it a second time. Take a moment to create a strong, memorable passphrase aimed for at least 12 characters and mix in upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using anything easy to guess, like common words, repeated characters, or details that could be found online. If you use a password manager, generate a unique password there and paste it into the fields to reduce typos. After you've filled out all three fields, look for the button to confirm or save your changes. Click it and wait for the success message. Some accounts may require you to re-authenticate or may sign you out on other devices to apply the new password across sessions. If that happens, just sign back in with your updated password. If you don't see the change password option at all, that typically means your organization controls sign-in through a provider outside of ClickUp. In that case, the password change needs to be done through that provider. That's it. Open ClickUp, click your profile icon, go to Settings, and update your password in the Change Password section, then confirm. Keeping your password strong and unique is one of the simplest ways to protect your workspace and the projects you care about.